It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clean with me. I did one a couple weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago, where I did the closet and you guys really liked it, so we're gonna do a bedroom suite clean with me. I'm gonna clean the bedroom first, do a little bit of the closet, and do the bathroom a good deep clean, and I'm gonna share it with you guys in the way that I like to clean. I'm a little bit OCD. I've let my bedroom get a little bit wacky right now in the craziness of just it's not dirty, it's just cluttered. I clean regularly, but there's just crap everywhere. And I don't know if you guys can see both nightstands behind me, but if you could see them up close, I'd give you one guess whose is whose. Hint, mine is the clean one. So I'm gonna start first by tidying up. Whenever I clean a space, I tidy first and then I clean. So I'm gonna put everything away in here, I'm gonna make the bed, and then we'll get into the cleaning part. Let's get started. Making the bed makes such a big difference. I mean, immediately the room looks better. I'm so unhappy with my bed right now. I'm getting ready to do a full refresh of the bedroom. We actually purchased a new slip cover for the entire bed, and I'm doing new bedding for summer. So if that's the video you want to see, like a full bedroom makeover with me, then comment below because I'm happy to share that with y'all. Now I'm going to get to tidying up the nightstands and just various areas of the room, and then we'll really get in there and clean. Whenever I vacuum, I like to go ahead and put the attachment on and just do all of the baseboards and everything. It just takes a couple of extra minutes. I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, but I have terrible allergies, so I try to cut down on as much dust as possible. So I'm constantly sweeping up all the nooks and crannies, especially in our bedroom, because if not, I wake up miserable. A lot of you guys are probably gonna comment on the fact that we have such a massive TV on a stupid little table. It's because we are actually If you read my blog post on this past Monday, it was a Nashville home update. We're actually going to have a fireplace put in here. And so the TV will be above the fireplace, but for right now, we just have it on this table so we can watch it at night. Matt and I are both bedtime TV watchers. This bedroom is so far from being done. There's so much that needs to be done. I'm waiting for a new mirror to come in. We have no artwork. We're doing all new bedding. So just a heads up, none of this that you're seeing is like, yeah, that's for sure how it's going to stay decorated. It's not. The only thing that's brand new in this room are the nightstands and then the chair behind me. Otherwise, everything came with us from LA and we purchased it for our LA room and now we're in a different room. So things just need to be refreshed and updated. So that's why it is the way it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and get sweeping. The dust being riled up in here is making my nose run so bad. I'm telling you, I'm so sensitive to dust. We have a little vacuum, little robot vacuum. I talk about it on my Instagram stories all the time. We run that thing pretty much every day. We love it so much. It's not the iRobot, the Roomba brand. I have 3 of those. And this brand that I got on Amazon, honestly, I like it a million times better. We don't use the Roombas at all. I'm gonna give them away to somebody in my family because I like this other one so much better. And the reason I like it so much better is because they don't hit my baseboards and mark them up. The Roomba iRobots, at least the ones that we got, which are probably several generations ago, in our other house, banged up our stupid baseboards so bad. And it was like, well, is this really worth it? I'd rather just vacuum every day by myself or on my own. So anyways, a long spiel to tell you, we run our robot vacuum every day in this house on the main level. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but my least favorite room in the house to clean is the bathroom. I just hate it. It's the worst part. I do have some tips, tricks, and hacks though I'm going to share with you guys on how I get my bathroom the cleanest that it can be. Alright, let's do it. A couple must-haves for me for cleaning my bathroom. Rubber gloves, a dish scrubber. I know you guys are probably like, what are you doing with a dish brush in your bathroom? I'll show you. This is like the best hack ever for cleaning a bathroom. I'm not exaggerating. Some bathroom cleaner. I'm using an all-natural one. This is called Murchison Hune. They sent this to me in a PR package last year, and this is Boys Bathroom. I love it. And then I use all-natural method anti-bac for toilet, and then I Clorox my sinks. So this is not a clean product, obviously, but we're in the middle of COVID right now, and I want to make sure things are as clean as they can be. So I use this for my bathroom sinks, and I use it for my shower. Not my whole shower, just any spots where I see like some buildup or my tile was really discolored last week, and I did everything natural you can think of to try to get the discoloration gone. And I think that our water has a lot more rust here in Nashville than I was used to in LA. And so the areas where the water would drip down in the shower, like when you turn it off, it was pink, like a pinkish red, and it's gotta be rust buildup. I could not get rid of it, so I did a combination of these 2 products, which are obviously not clean, healthy products, but sometimes the clean, healthy stuff just doesn't work, and in this case it didn't. So I did a combination of the Clorox cleanup with the bleach, and then I did Goo Gone grout and tile cleaner. I did the 2 together, and I did it multiple times. Like, honestly, I needed a face mask because it was so, like, I even keep a mask in the bathroom so I don't breathe in the fumes. It was so fumey and, like, horrible to breathe in, but I got rid of the red buildup and I was so happy. So in that corner right there, I had some hydrangea. They were so beautiful for almost 3 weeks. I cannot believe they stayed alive that long, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of those. We need to get some fresh flowers in here. I'm gonna clean the countertop really good, my sinks. You can see I've just got some PR stuff going on right there. And Matt's toothbrush is out, which is a major pet peeve of mine. I don't like your toothbrush out to open air because if you flush a toilet, I feel like that's the potential to have germs in the air and it freaks me out. So gotta get that put away. But okay, let's get started. Just a heads up, I use this bottom drawer here to keep all of my bathroom cleaning products in, so I don't have to worry about going to the laundry room where I keep all of my bathroom products or my cleaning products. I keep the ones that I use specifically in this room in that drawer. So if you have the luxury of having some space in your bathroom, store your bathroom products there because it'll definitely make it easier to keep your bathroom clean because you don't have to get up and run all over the house to find what you need. One of my favorite hacks that my mom taught me is to clean your mirrors with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I know it's hard to come by right now, but if you have some, a little bit goes a long way and it really does get your mirrors like shining, sparkling, looking amazing. So I'm gonna use it to clean my little tray here and then I'm gonna clean the mirrors. My mom just wiped down our mirrors from top to bottom, so I'm going to just do it from like eye level down because that's really all it needs today. Okay, so just so you can see, it's a really dirty mirror. You guys can see the setup that I have there too with the camera. But I just put a little bit on my paper towel and see it looks like super wet and like gross. So now all you do is you take a clean one and buff it out and it makes it like just sparkle. It looks amazing. Like brand new. So I'm gonna use whatever's left over on this one. I'm gonna do the mirrors now. Favorite tip is when you use something and you're done with it, put it away. Don't leave it out because if you clean as you're going, it makes things so much easier for you. Okay, you can say I'm being dramatic if you want to. I'm fine with that. I just personally hate breathing in the fumes of cleaning products. So I'm getting ready to bleach my sinks. That's why I have this on. And we're gonna give them a good scrub and I'm gonna show you how to use that dish brush right now. Okay, now that I've given this a couple minutes to sit, I'm gonna use my brush here. And I specifically use one that's got these things on the edge. And the reason is because I can get up under the lip of the sink. I mean, when's the last time that you cleaned like that good that you got under the lip of your sink? I do it every time I clean my sink because the idea of stuff sitting there grosses me out so bad. And so I use the rest of the brush to really get a good scrub of the sink going. And you know every sink has those 3 circles on the inside. I clean those really good. Yeah. Just get a really good scrub with some elbow grease. And I'm telling you, it makes the biggest difference in your bathroom. There's these little bristles on the end are so dense that it helps you get right there in those corners and just hard to reach spots. There you go. Perfectly clean. No crud buildup underneath. It's the best. I'll show you how I use this again in just a second. Okay, so I'm using a combination again, like I said earlier, of the Clorox bleach and then the Goo Gone, and I'm using my brush again, and I'm just gonna get in those crevices and really scrub. now that I am sufficiently tired, it's time for me to go have a cup of coffee and recharge because it's 5 o'clock. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me. Got a little bit of the closet, all of the bedroom, all of the bathroom. I didn't show the toilet being clean because who really needs to see that? You've seen a million toilets. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see from me next in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notifications on so you can be the first to know when a new video goes up. And you can be entered into my giveaways. Au revoir. Yeah, but this happened with age. And where? When I bought it, it was light like this. That's what happens with Louis Vuitton. I don't know that this is going to darken up that much, but still, it's a great dupe. You got to admit it.